How to copy table from Microsoft Word documents to Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you easiest way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open first Microsoft Word. Okay guys, here we are. This is my Microsoft Word documents and I have one table here for sample. Okay, so what you need to do, you just click on this icon or simply select all table like this. Just click hold by mouse and just select all table. Now just click anywhere and just right click and just copy it. Now we need to go in Google Docs. Okay guys, just we are now in Google Docs. So just put the cursor where you want to table and right click on it and just paste it, and table will be pasted like this. Okay, so just manage the margin. Okay, so this is table. Now you can make changes if you want. You can change the line, you can change the border color, change the border thickness. Okay, you can change like this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.